So the first thing to do when setting up Sowsh is to download the app. Open the App Store, search Sowsh, and then install. Next, you're going to open up the Sowsh app, and if you already have an account, log in, and if not, sign up. You'll enter your first and last name, your email address, and then your password. Next, you're ready to start making your profile. Click the red button at the top to get started. Next, you'll be able to enter all your information, starting with your profile picture, which you can simply upload a picture. Next, you can put your name, your bio, then any of your contact information, phone, email, WhatsApp, social medias, music, payment information, and then finally up to 8 web links. Here you can name your links. Here I say my website, and then type in the links. Make sure that they start with https://www. Then enter that and save. Now you're ready to activate your card. Once you save your profile, you're ready to activate your card. Simply tap it to the back of your phone. Successfully activated your Sowsh. Now you can peel off the back and place it nicely at the bottom of your phone. Just a note, the reason why we stick the Sowsh on the bottom of the phone is because the NFC reader is at the top, also known as the sweet spot. If you were to place the tag at the top, it would set your reader off constantly. For example, that's by tapping at the top, but if I were to tap in the middle, nothing happens. Hope that helps.